Hi guys! Welcome to Law Diaries Lex Contarios. So we are here again for another vlog and today is actually August 27. So kahapon guys, actually bago ako matulog, pinakinggan ko muna yung recording na ginawa ng teacher namin sa credit transactions kasi Thursday na ngayon, tomorrow is Friday, magkakaroon kami ng quiz for credit transactions and as you can see guys, bago pa akong ligo and meron sana kaming online lecture ngayon sa taxation, pero hindi sa teacher namin. Kasi yung mga classmates ko, they asked like some of our friends which are working sa BIR, ganon, na sana merong mag-conduct ng lecture sa amin about taxation, ganon. Kasi hindi masyadong na-discuss ang taxation law sa amin. That's why my classmates are, you know, they are very motivated sa law school, eme. So, nag-search sila ng magtuturo sa amin. So, mas maganda yung kung may experience na about taxation, ganon. Unfortunately, hindi ako naka-attend. Kasi guys, 1 PM na akong gumising. Tapos, naligo pa ako at kumain. Ayun. Anyway, I think nag-lecture pa sila hanggang ngayon. So, hihingi na ako ng record para sa mga lecture na ginawa nila. Today, I want to be a masipag na law student. Char! Because I'm planning to study credit transactions. So, babasahin ko yung PDF ni De Leon. Since natapos ko naman ata yung credit transactions ko kay Paras, yung topic is yung credit preferences or kung sino yung dapat unahin pagbayad. Kung sino yung mga utang na dapat unahin pagbayad. So, for example, marami kang utang, tapos bigla kang namatay, ganon. Or insolvent ka na, ganon. So, ano yung utang na dapat unang bayaran? Ganon. So, yun yung topic namin sa credit transactions. Ang dumi-dumi ng table ko, my God. So, yun lang yung plano ko today, guys. Maganda actually yung voice discussion or voice recording na ginawa ni Mom. But, medyo mahirapan kang intindihin yun kapag hindi ka nagbasa ng libro. So, ayun. Magre-review ako since konti lang yung explanation ni Paras about sa, preference of credits, MS. So, yun lang guys. So, magbabasa ako sa, sa laptop ko. Alright? Mamaya pala, we're having an online class na naman for our insurance law. So, actually, natapos na namin yung aming online class sa aming insurance law. At yung topic namin kanina is yung fire insurance, mga hazards and eme. At hindi na ako nakapag-screenshots ng aking mukha dahil kasi kumakain kasi ako noon habang nag-online class. So, pinurn off ko na lang yung camera ko. At ito lang kasi yung suot ko dahil so, pangit naman pa mag-screenshots pa ba? Tapos na rin yung aming succession, wheels and succession. So, marami kaming topic. Yung disinheritance, criterion, tapos, fiduciary. Ayun yung mga topics namin. So, yun lang. I was supposed to edit my vlogs today, but nabwisit ako. Kakabwisit. This is actually my third breakdown this month, guys. So, I'm going to have my skincare since, ayan, kaiiyak ko lang. Nakaka-stress. I'm using this ampule by Catidals. As you can see, guys, nag-breakdown ako. Hindi pa ako nakapag-aral sa aming credit transaction. May quiz kami tomorrow. Mag-skincare lang ako and then matutulog na ako. As you can see, ayan. Sabi yung breakdown ko. Umiyak ako. Na-stress ako. Ito na naman yung mata niya, sis. Anyway, this ends our bridging program vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, see you tomorrow for our next vlog. Bye-bye!